Welcome to Choose Lifetime. Ten Best Speed Cooking Microwave Ovens. We are going to check out top 10 best speed cooking microwave ovens in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion, and I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this speed cooking microwave ovens, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below.
Top 10.
Toshiba EC042, a 5 CBS countertop microwave oven with convection, smart sensor, sound on/off function and LCD display, 1.5 Cu.Ft, black stainless steel. Exterior dimensions, 21.77, Wex 21.50, Dex 12.99, Cavity 15.5, Wex 15.35, Dex 10.2. Combines microwave and
Top 9.
Toshiba Anal 2EM09 PABS microwave oven with smart sensor, position memory turntable, eco mode, and sound on/off function, 09 Cu.Ft/900 Gavi, black stainless steel, 0.9 Cu.Ft. 6 automatic preset menus. 6 preset menu options for convenient cooking snacks, dinner, beverages, and more. 5 unique power levels. Customize your cooking power level for more cooking flexibilities, from softening ice cream to boiling liquids. Intuitive operation, including one-touch start between 1 to 6 minutes, child lock function, ECO mode.
Top 8.
GE Profile PEM 31 SFSS Countertop Microwave. GE1. Cu.Ft 800W Turntable MWOSS. This countertop microwave oven is built-in capable with a sleek matching trim kit. Cavity, WXHX.
Top 7.
Galanz GLO MGB17 Test 2 ASW 30 SpeedWave over-the-range microwave oven. True convection and sensor technology, air fry and steam cooking. Stainless steel, 1.7 Cu.Ft convection. True convection with sensor technology. Heated air circulates throughout the oven as food spins 360 degrees, cooking your food faster and evenly. No more hot spots. Built-in humidity sensor ensures your food is never under or overcooked. Air fry and steam cooking. TotalFry 360 is our air fry technology that lets you cook with little or no oil. Includes both an air fry and steam kit for the healthier meal options. Enjoy steamed veggies, baked potatoes.
Top 6.
ZLINE 24 built-in convection microwave oven in black stainless steel with speed and sensor cooking. Multiple power levels with regular heat, broil, and convection cooking elements. Enjoy sensor cooking, speed cooking, and multiple auto defrost settings for enhanced cooking and convenience. Easy to read LCD display and kitchen timer. Ceramic made and reversible turntable.
Top 5.
Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1 microwave oven with air fryer, convection bake, FlashXpress broiler, inverter microwave technology, $1,000, 1.2 cubic feet with easy clean interior, NNCD 87 KES, stainless steel. The ultimate all-in-one multi-oven. It's a countertop microwave, broiler, air fryer, and convection oven all in one. Use each function alone or combined for delicious meals every time. Healthy air fryer mode. Quickly circulates hot air around food, producing crispy, brown results, no preheat required. Make French fries, nuggets, and more healthier and delicious. Use as a main or second oven. Use convection bake function up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, with or without preheat, for baking and roasting. FlashXpress broiler is perfect for toasting, browning, and crisping.
Top 4.
Galanz GSWWA 16 BKSA 10 3-in-1 SpeedWave with TotalFry 360, microwave, air fryer, convection oven with Combi-Speed cooking, 1.6 Cu.Ft/1000W, black. Ultimate cooking versatility, 3 different cooking methods in one multifunctional appliance. Features air fry, convection, and microwave with Combi-Speed cooking. TotalFry 360 technology. Using our enhanced air fry technology and built-in heating elements, you can air fry you.
Top 3.
FRIGIDAIRE FFMV 1000 645 TB 30-inch over-the-range microwave with 1.6 cubic Ft capacity, LED lighting, multi-stage cooking option, 12.5-inch turntable, and 2-speed ventilation in black. Radiator cap is designed to provide increased durability and can be removed without damage to the rubber atmospheric seal. This radiator cap has pressure valve springs made of stainless steel to maintain the calibrated pressure for maximum service life.
Top 2.
Commercial Chef 0.7 Cu.Ft. Countertop microwave oven, 700 watts, small compact size, 10 power levels, 6 easy one-touch presets with popcorn button, removable turntable, child lock. Full power on your Countertop. 700 watts with 10 power settings ensure that you're heating different foods and beverages fast, evenly, and at the right temperature without overcooking. Defrost quickly by weight or time. Convenient heating PRESETS. One-touch auto-cook programs let you pop popcorn and melt, soften, warm, cook, or reheat food with a quick touch of a button. You can add time by the minute, and the removable turntable is easy to wash. Compact and stylis, space-saving, low profile.
Top 1.
Panasonic HomeChef 4-in-1 microwave oven with air fryer, convection bake, FlashXpress broiler, inverter microwave technology, $1,000, 1.2 cubic feet with easy clean interior, NNCD 87 KISS, stainless steel. The ultimate all-in-one multi-oven. It's a countertop microwave, broiler, air fryer, and convection oven all in one. Use each function alone or combined for delicious meals every time. Healthy air fryer mode quickly circulates hot air around food, producing crispy, brown results, no preheat required. Make French fries, nuggets, and more healthier and delicious. Use as a main or second oven. Use convection bake function up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, with or without preheat, for baking and roasting. FlashXpress broiler is perfect for toasting, browning, and crisping. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.